what the CWA 2 Sigma indicator is, how you can get access to this indicator. I'll describe it to you on TradingView. And finally, we look at some examples using the 2 Sigma indicator. So 2 Sigma, CWA 2 Sigma is a systematic equity investing strategy wherein universe is the NSE listed liquid scripts. The position size is 2% of capital. So for example, if someone has 1 lakh rupees, each buy signal will be given 2% of capital, which would be 2,000 rupees. Since this is a weekly investing strategy, the indicator is to be viewed after the close on Friday, and any action of buy or sell is to be taken on Monday. What are the rules? Well, there is only one condition for entry, wherein the weekly close of the price should be above the upper Bollinger Band having setting of 50 and 2, where 50 is the period and 2 is the standard deviation from the moving average, which is where CWA 2 Sigma derives its name. What are the conditions for exit? Exit rules, there are 3. One is an initial stop loss of 20%. So for example, if there is a buy signal and the buying price is 100 rupees, if the weekly close is below 20%, which is below 80 rupees, the stock is to be exited. The other 2 conditions are if the close is below the 100-week exponential moving average, or the close is below the average true range having setting of 14 and 1.8. So if either one of these 3 exit rule criteria are met, the stock is to be exited. Now let's talk about how you can get access to this indicator. In order to get access to this indicator, you're supposed to fill out this Google form, the link of which will be in the description below. Please make sure that the TradingView username is correct. The username will be visible in your TradingView profile right over here. So you mention this ID over here and you submit this form. Once you submit this form, you should receive access to the indicator within 2 to 3 days. You will be able to view this indicator under the indicator section and invite only. Once you apply this indicator, it will look something like this. So over here, the blue line is the upper Bollinger Band. The white line is the ATR line. The red line is the 100-week EMA. And this yellow line is the initial stop loss. When looking at this indicator, I'd advise you use this on a dark theme. Otherwise, the ATR line, which is white, will not be seen. So let's take a few examples. So in case of Nifty, all these examples are being taken on a B3 time frame. This is an equity investing strategy. So on June 26, 2023, the weekly close of 19,189 was above the upper Bollinger Band having value of 18,911, which is where a buy signal was generated. So this would have been a Friday. So the action is to be taken on the next day, which would be the Monday, and say Nifty is to be bought in this case. Once this buy signal was generated, Nifty did not close below the initial stop loss, neither did it go below the ATR or the EMA up until 30th of September 2024. Here, Nifty closed below the ATR value, which was 25,178, and Nifty's close was 25,014, which is where this stock was exited. Let's look at a few other examples. So before we go forward with the other examples, please note that these examples are not a buy or sell recommendation. They are merely for illustration purposes. In case of Bharti Airtel, we can see that a buy signal was generated on 9th of August 2021, where the close was above the upper Bollinger Band. The price did not go below either of the 3 trailing stop losses, being the ATR, EMA or the initial stop loss, till date, and is currently long as per the system. Another example can be Mahindra and Mahindra. Here again, the buy signal was generated on 23rd of May 2022, where the close was 919 and the upper Bollinger Band was 918. This stock also has not gone below the initial stop loss, ATR or weekly EMA. Another recent example can be Bajaj Finance. The stop is long as per the system from 27th of January 2025. It is still currently long. Let's look at a few examples of stop losses that have occurred in the system. So one is Ashapura mine. In this case, a buy signal was generated on the 13th of January 2025, where the close of 518.75 was above the Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band value of 463.82. But in the subsequent weeks, the price fell below the initial stop loss of 20% value of 415 and the close was 413, which is where the stop was exited. Similarly, in case of Polycab, the stock went long on 13th of May 2024 and was exited on 20th of January 2025 because the close was below the ATR value. Another thing I would like to mention is that if you would like to view the scans that are the buy and sell signals that are showing up on a week-to-week basis, you can join the WhatsApp channel that is mentioned in the Google form and the link of which is mentioned in the description as well.